subscribe with notifications on.
Omnye mhlawumbi uchithelwa ngomnye without a reason.
Without a reason?
Yes. Omnye ucheated because of wena ungamphethanga kakuhle endlini. Sometimes, like, unfortunately, we have a child behind us.
Yeah.
Sometimes in the rooms, you don't feed him.
Okay. Sexually?
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't give him his service.
Okay.
Especially the women's people.
Yes.
Don't want to give her sometimes.
Women, they refuse to give to the men.
Yes. So if you refuse when I need you in the room, I'm gonna go outside.
But why can't you talk? Why don't they talk?
Guys, he is saying sometimes other people they cheat for no reason. But according to his opinion, he thinks that he would cheat if the woman doesn't want to give him in the bedroom his own sweets that he deserves. You know about the sweets that he deserves in the bedroom?
Yes.
If the woman doesn't want to give him the sweets that he deserves in the bedroom, he will go out there and cheat because the woman is stubborn, doesn't want to give him his sweets in the bedroom.
Why do you think it's a problem? The woman is not giving, giving the man.
Let's just hear him, guys. Let's hear him out.
What is the problem? Why is the woman doesn't want to give to the men?
Sometimes abanye abantu like abangosisi abayidalelwanga like ukutyanda kakhulu ukuyenza kanti umuntu ongitshate yena uyayithanda.
Okay.
Yes. So abengekho ready yena sometimes esithi akakho ready nje ukhwapha suka khona usuthi so
sorry ngane ke ndibuze ukuthi uma ke
mina mphuma ePretoria.
Pretoria uhlala phi?
Mamelodi, ngihlala lapha eStrand.
Down eStrand.
Lapha eStrand eBroadlands.
Wena so uhlala phi?
makeme uba uyayibawa.
All right. Okay.
All right. Yes, Papa.
So athi kuwe
Sorry for that, guys.
Sorry for that, guys.
udiniwe kanti akadinwanga cha ukhwapha suka khona. So sometimes ngutata one problem.
Yeah.
Kusisi. So iba into ekumela kunjalo. Into yomthatho.
So, but don't you think Uti, we need to find common grounds together as partners? You know, if a woman is not happy about something, they should raise their voices out to the husband. And the husband is not, if the husband is not happy as well, or maybe perhaps like you're saying, the wife doesn't give him, right?
Yeah.
Why can't they sit down and talk about it? What do you think is the problem?
Yeah, they is supposed to sit down
They're supposed to sit down and talk about it.
and talk about that. You see, sometimes the women need you, but sometimes you busy with your business. You focus on your business.
Yeah.
You don't focus to her.
To her.
Now she's gonna go out to go and want this thing you don't give him. You don't give him.
But
After that, when you sit down to ask her why you cheating to me, he's gonna tell you.
you are always busy.
You are always busy. I know the fridge is full. Everything is here, but I need one thing to you. You don't give me.
Yeah. So you mean that even if there's food in the house, there's everything in the house, as long as that woman doesn't get that thing, she will leave. Even if you've got money, she will leave with your money and go out and get that thing.
You get that.
Hey guys, it's a problem. It's very, very, very difficult. But why can't these women understand that the man is hustling, the man is pushing, because there's too many sufferings out there. People are suffering. People are struggling to make means. I mean, the man is working. I mean, for me, I think it's unfair. For me, I think it's unfair because you are out here working very hard for your family. And if she thinks that maybe because of you are working and you don't have time to give to her, I mean, really, it doesn't make sense.
Yeah. So i-problems zomtshato zinjalo. Oh yeah. Omnye like usasuka adikwe ngomnye nje also without a reason.
Yeah. This is a serious problem, Baba.
ukuthi kuba engutata like ufuna into ngusisi abe ngamvumi athi ke ngokuye no ndiza kutshata batsho tata ndiza kutshata yakho ndavuma usisi kuba ufuna umtshato kabe lapha emtshatweni ekitchen so ngabe after betshatile usisi yena serious ngomtshato kanti utata yena ukuyijokini ufuna udlala ngosisi xa befuna ufumana usisi abe kanti asakonela usisi amtyale esithubeni. So
that's a serious problem, Baba. No, thank you so much. But don't tell me something. When as for you being in 20 years in marriage, how did you make it, my brother? I know you have problems as well as any man has got a problem.
That man he was saying here, that old man. I'm gonna say the same thing. If you're in marriage, you must pray always.
Always.
If you're married, you pray. If you pray and you trust
the Lord,
priest, a lot, then you will sustain. You will sustain, yeah. So I'm always praying. I'm the pastor of my church.
Oh, that's why. Thank you so much. No, I'm so glad. At least I'm hearing from the pastor himself. You understand? It's always good. Thank you so much, my brother. I really appreciate it. I hope people will learn from you. Will learn from your experience. Everything that you shared, because it's very important. People are going to get some advices from you as well.
Yeah.
No, thank you so much, my brother. I really appreciate it. All right, we are going to give you the link later on tonight. You can go to YouTube, you can see yourself. There will be a lot of people that we are going to interview, so you will see their views as well. All right, so thank you so much.
I'm the Christian, my church is Yon Kalanata.
Wow.
That is my church.
Wow, thank you so much.
Apostolic Church in Sion.
Wow, and where is your church based?
In
Strength. So if someone maybe want to come to your church, and because hearing such nice ways that you spoke now, where can they find you?
I'm gonna leave my phone number.
You okay?
Someone, if you want to go to my church, can call me on those phone number. I'm gonna give you.
What's your number?
071
071
451
451
1394.
Guys, you hear it, right? So you can always contact. What's your name? Ngetile, Pastor Ngetile.
Yes,
He's the pastor.
My surname is Haba.
He's the pastor. That's why he's married for 20 years. His marriage.
Oh my God! Oh guys, we are so blessed. We have spoken to him.
Yeah, his marriage is
the
based on Christ.
There is a foundation.
There's a foundation.
Guys, you see the foundation I was talking about?
Yes.
There is a foundation. His marriage is based on the
foundation.
So sir, you understand when your wife is saying, I'm tired, I can't give you the sweets.
I do understand.
Thank you, sir. Thank you
I
so
do
much.
understand.
Thank you so much.
Because I know he's a person like me.
Because guys, we do get tired, eh?
Exactly.
We are not animals. Eh? We do get tired. So when we are tired, we expect our husbands to understand.
To understand, exactly.
Because we have cleaning, we have kids, we have all those things to do. So you can't expect me to have karate also in the bedroom when guys, come on.
To play karate.
You see? So we have to understand each other. That's the most important thing. You guys, I understand my husband also. If he decides to give me 1 minute, it's okay. I'll appreciate because I understand he's a man, he's not an animal.
Yes, exactly.
So you understand your partners, guys. That's the most important thing. Work together.
All right.
It's powerful that way. Guys, I appreciate my husband. Even if I can for 1 second, it's enough, guys.
It's okay.
I appreciate.
You're sorted. You're sorted. Yeah.
I like my husband.
No,
He's not an animal.
I wish many men can get a woman like you.
The thing is, you must understand each other. You want your husband to understand you? Understand him.
Exactly. You see, women, please learn from this sister here. Learn from her. Stop demanding. Stop demanding. You want too much in bed, guys. Guys, remember.
Guys, if you feel that you are not enough, maybe your husband didn't give you enough, kneel down, come to Jesus.
And pray.
Yes.
He'll cover you up, man. You'll be fine.
Exactly. Thank you so much.
He'll comfort you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. No, Baba, thank you so much. I really appreciate my brother. I really appreciate your time, my man. Thank you so much.
We really appreciate